The subject for this meeting is SharePoint Custom Lists. Let's create a list for tracking meeting rooms. So click on the site, go to New, click on List, and open up a notepad and put your text in there. It helps you get your thoughts together by doing so. So let's type in meeting rooms, create. Okay, let's go to our next. Okay, add a column, text, actually choice. We're going to be using mostly multiple choices just so that we can scrub the data so the data entry is accurate. If you go free form, it tends to lead to errors, and that can really impact you in the future with lookups and searching and filtering and that sort of thing. So let's enter choices, north, south, and we'll do east and west. Create. Okay. Let's see what our next one is. Location. Multiple choice. We're going to just have one location just to make this simple. So let's delete the existing stuff. Enter main floor. Choose as default. Enter the name. Who knows, maybe as this company grows, they'll end up purchasing or leasing another floor. All right, okay, so what's next? Capacity. Again, choice. And you can obviously enter any value you want here based on your meeting rooms. Let's say the default meeting room is 4 people. Nice round table, 4 chairs. Okay. And next. So it might be your video conferencing system, your Teams system. Maybe there's a laptop in there with AV support. What else have we got? A whiteboard. I think most rooms have a whiteboard. Let's add it. Choice. Maybe we'll leave that as yes. I think we got one more. Catering. Multiple choice. Yes, no. And let's say no. Great, so there we go. We've got them all. I'll skip the pet friendly. Thought it was a cool idea. Okay, so let's see. We've got to add a contact. So we're going to use this person or group, and that way we can enter an email address. Okay. Click Create. And then we'll start entering some data so you can see how the list appears and how it sorts data. Great. So room, location, main floor, capacity, contact, create. Okay, so that's north. Let's add another. Maybe that's the boardroom, catering as well. Get your Starbucks. Enter the contact. And thinking about this, you could create a calendar system with availability. You could really expand on this. You could get into Power Apps. That's something you might want to research. You could create a nice application for managing your meeting rooms. This is just a nice, simple way of registering your meeting rooms, keeping track of them, and you could later build on it. There we go. So we've got all rooms entered, and if you click on the filtering, you can see how the data could be filtered. So imagine if you had 100 rooms, you'd be able to search on availability, whether it has a whiteboard or AV or capacity. It gives you a snapshot view of your meeting rooms. Hope you enjoyed. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.